In this video, I will show you how to configure the GitLab Copilot coding agent step by step. Okay, we will follow the README here. So what we will need to do is create a coding agent repo. The Copilot CLI agent will run in this repo pipeline. And also we will have a webhook service to monitoring your application repo. That means every issue update, every merge request update will send the webhook JSON data to here, and it will trigger the Copilot coding engine repo, the pipeline here. So let's begin. First of all, we need to create a Copilot bot user. Also, you can leverage in the existing GitLab user. Here, I already created a GitLab user here. You can see here. I already renamed its name to Copilot and the username to Copilot agent. And this will be configured in the webcode service later. So here, next step is we need to create a token for this Copilot bot. Let's create it here. And PAT, create a new token. Use this name. Actually, any name you like is okay. Here, set a number. We can just 1 year. And you can choose here. I choose everything because maybe I will do more things beyond the coding agent. Use this bot, so I just choose everything. And then we got the PAT here. We can copy it, save it to here. This is the GitLab PAT. Can go back. Okay. And then when we need to is create the GitLab Copilot coding engine repo. So we just follow here. We can go back to this group. We can create a project and import project by URL. And the URL here we need is this one, just the URL of this repo. We can give it a name and give it a project name. Set the visibility level to internal. If you are in a company, you can set it to internal. That means any people that can log in this GitLab can visit it. I strongly suggest you can set this to internal in your real environment, but to demo here, I set it to public. Then we create the project. Okay, wait a moment. Then we need to configure the GitLab token and the GitHub token for this coding agent repo. We can go to the settings, CI/CD, and the variables. Okay, give two variables. The first one is the GitLab token. Oh, here, the GitLab token, the key, and the value is we just created in the first step. You can just copy it. Okay, save it. Okay, add variables. That's the first variable, and next one, add a GitHub token. This will be used by the Copilot CLI. So we give the key here and give it the value. Okay, add variables. You can create this GitHub token in your GitHub platform here. Okay, maybe you need to how to do. I didn't show it here. Yeah, you must give this token the Copilot permissions. Otherwise, it can not. Otherwise, your Copilot CLI cannot use this token to authorize the Copilot service. Okay, now we set two tokens. And next one, set a GitLab runner. Because I'm using the GitLab.com service, the SaaS service, it already have the Docker runners, Kubernetes runners. So if you are using configure this in your environment, you must make sure that you already have a runner. So you can just create a project runner here, or create a runner for your GitLab instance or in your group, and set it here. The things that uh, you need to remember that the execute should be Docker or Kubernetes. I just skip it here, okay? And this is already be done because when I created this token, I give the right permissions with Copilot. Okay, that's it. And then we need to create a environment file here. Now we need to create the uh, webhook service. You can copy it here and paste it to another file here. Okay, you can see. Okay, the first is the pipeline trigger token. This one we need to generate in the uh, coding agent repo. So we come here, CI/CD trigger pipeline, and add a new token. Give a name, coding agent, and create token. Okay, we got it. Copy it and set the value here. And your project ID. The ID is here, general, and this one. And the branch reference is man. We just leave it here. And this value you should to modify to your environment, your real GitLab URL. But for me here, it's gitlab.com. Okay. And then the webhook secret token, you can let it empty or just set some value. Maybe I can set a value here. Okay, it's name my token. And the agent username is Copilot agent. Okay, you can see name is this value, the Copilot agent. And the commit email should be same with the this bot account's email. Let's see here. Okay, we use this email. Okay. Then other values, just use the default value, copy, and paste it in my Linux. Now we get our environment configuration files. Okay, we go back. Let me check what we need to do next. Okay, everything is okay. Then we should run the hook service. I already built this image. You can just use it directly, or you can use the source code to run. Here we use this command. Okay. Oh, I need to delete the old one. Docker f GitLab. Okay, and create it. And doc ps, we can see we just run the webhook service, and we can get the public IP of this machine. Okay, so this is the public API service. We will set it later. Let's go back. Okay. Okay, this is our webhook service URL. Just set it here, and the IP is here. Okay, that's it. Okay, our configuration in the coding agent repo is finished.